Hi guys, this is Caroline Toomey and this is the chemical lime. When I say lime, many of you may be thinking about this fruit. However, I am talking about the chemical calcium oxide. The chemical lime is one of the oldest chemical transformations produced by man. It is so popular because of the Earth's abundance of limestone. Its use predates recorded history. The chemical lime is originally produced when limestone is heated and carbon dioxide is driven off. This leaves calcium oxide, which is the chemical lime. As you can see, this process is part of the lime cycle. Here is a video of the production of lime. As you can see, the first step is to heat the limestone. The lime is then cooled. Once it is cooled, the carbon dioxide is taken out of the lime. This is used by adding water to it. One of the reasons why lime is used a lot today is because it is chemically unstable and caustic. This means it can react with many substances. It can react easily with carbon dioxide to make calcium carbonate. Also, when lime is mixed with water and sand, it makes mortar, and when it is mixed with water, it creates calcium hydroxide or slaked lime. It can form many solutions with silicates, and these can make things such as glass and metals. It is a white crystalline solid. Its melting point is 2,572 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is 2,850 degrees Celsius. Its chemical symbol is CaO, and it is 71% calcium and 29% oxygen. Its density is 3.3 grams per cubic centimeters, and its mass is 56.08 grams per moles. This is a diagram of the atoms that make up calcium oxide, which is lime. This is also a model of the molecular structure of lime, which I will be making and showing you later. Lime has many uses, but one of the main things it is used for today is in construction. Lime is used to make mortar, slaked lime, lime plaster, and Portland cement. It is also prevalent in the making of glass and in the steel industry. Another use of lime is to make metals, such as iron and aluminum. They are also used to manufacture chemicals, especially calcium carbide. Lime is also added to sewage to remove phosphates, which decreases the amount of pollution. Lastly, it is used in many industrial manufacturers, such as in plastics and wood. The hazards of lime include coming in contact with your eyes and your skin. If it comes in contact with your eyes, it may cause eye irritation or blindness and damaging of the cornea. Also, if it comes in contact with your skin, it can cause blistering inflammation. These symptoms are very unlikely, but because of repeated exposure, they may happen. Also, since lime is a non-flammable chemical, it is not a fire hazard. The following slides is the material safety data sheet for calcium oxide. This is also called the MSDS. This includes the chemical product and company identification, the composition and information on ingredients, the hazard identification, the first aid measures, the fire and explosion data, the accidental release measures, the handling and storage, the exposure controls and personal protection, the physical and chemical properties, the stability and reactivity data, the toxicology information, ecological information, the disposal considerations, transfer information, and other regulatory information. This also includes other information such as the references and the time it was last updated. The last thing I'm going to talk to you about is the cost of the chemical lime. Lime is very abundant because of the high amount of limestone present. It is also in high demand because of the uses I explained earlier. In 2012, the average value of 1 ton of lime was $116. From this fact, I estimate the average value of 1 ton of lime right now is around $100. This is my ball and stick model of the chemical lime. As I said before, lime is also called calcium oxide. Therefore, it consists of one calcium atom and one oxygen atom. In this model, the red smaller ball is the oxygen atom, and the bigger white ball is the calcium atom. Because it is an ionic bond, they are placed closely together as shown in my model. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned a lot about lime.